Our mission is to help push the pin on the loneliness crisis by empowering people to connect through our community gardening platform. With loneliness affecting 1 in 3 adults globally, gardening offers a lifeline, nurturing connections and easing the pain of isolation. Our app encourages ecological companionship, creating a greener, more connected world. And now passing it on to Daniel.
Communitree was built using the parent stack with Tailwind CSS for styling and Passport.js for authentication. We use UploadThing to handle image uploads and Connect.js to access the database. I'll pass it back to Angelica. Thank you.
For our project, we needed a database schema that would provide access to all of our data. The tables we used were users, posts, comments, gardens, and events. Posts and comments each reference a user who created that post or comment. Our users are able to create and view gardens and events. These associations make it possible for an individual user to see all posts made by them, all comments created for a particular post, gardens, and events in their community. Now on to Rafi.
Hi, everyone. Working on the front end, I focused on developing a youthful and engaging visual story. With tools like Figma and Adobe Creative Suite, I developed a series of graphic elements to craft the user's experience while interacting with Communitree. Additionally, I opted to learn Tailwind while developing our app. I found this to be very rewarding in ensuring that our design was both responsive and aesthetic. All that being said, let's jump into the demo.
My name is Rafi Baritas, and I'm excited to walk you through Communitree, a web app working to foster real-life interaction, building connection through sustainability. Communitree offers several community building resources, but first, we need to sign up. We're signed in and navigated to the community section. I'm interested in composting, so let's look for relevant posts. Here's a post about the basics of composting. Let's check the comments. I want to start a discussion about tools. The mission at Communitree is to get outside, so let's find a garden. Let's navigate to the Garden tab and search for a garden by zip code. I have a garden of my own that I would love to add to this listing. Let's make a garden. We navigate up to the plus icon, upload a photo of our garden, and let's go on and give it a title. I'm going to check that this garden is public and create my garden. We can also browse through and explore upcoming gardening events that are happening near me. It sounds like we have a new notification. Let's navigate back to the community page and look for interactions on our recent post. Now that we've made some contributions on Communitree, let's navigate to my profile so that we can view them and edit them all in one place. Here, I can cycle through posts, gardens, and events. Communitree is also equipped with both dark and light modes. Let's check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you outside. My name is...
Thank you so much. Hello again, everybody. As you heard, my name is Rafi Baritas. I'm a software engineer from Brooklyn with roots in Syria and Egypt. Today, I'm excited to share my role in creating the Communitree web app, a platform designed to foster community engagement. To help make the user experience more dynamic, I integrated several libraries like GSAP and Framer Motion, for example. These tools helped us create movement, making the user's journey through the app engaging. Now, interacting with databases played a big role in our build. One of the third-party APIs we used was the Ziptastic API to display location-based data. One of the biggest challenges I had was a few days into our build. Our team made the decision to adjust one of our features to better align with our mission. Understandably, this threw a wrench into our database schema, causing deployment failures. I resolved this by refining our migration scripts and database structure to be consistent site-wide. This not only solved migration issues, but also made our database more stable. Thank you, everyone. I'm going to pass it to my talented teammate, Daniel.
Hello, my name is Daniel Figueroa. My family is from Guatemala, Peru, and Spain, and I currently live on Long Island. On the Communitree team, my role is focused on backend development. For my contribution, I built the server and set up the authentication system. In terms of implementation, I created the routers and endpoints that the front end interacts with to access data. This involves setting up a robust server architecture in order to ensure seamless communication between the front and back end. To design the auth system, I use Passport.js to handle both local and OAuth logins, which provides a smooth and secure process for users. This feature allows users to sign in with either their username and password or through popular OAuth providers like Google. This not only enhances user convenience, but also strengthens the security of our application. The challenge I faced during this process was actually integrating those multiple login methods. To solve this, I spent time debugging and researching best practices for Passport.js. I then restructured our server to properly handle those different sign-in methods with the new knowledge I gained. I'll pass it to Angelica now. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Angelica Ibarlucera. My family and I are from Mexico, and I was raised in Queens, New York. My role on the team was as the full stack developer. I designed the ERD and built our database, tables, and models. I also developed the gardens and events pages. This involved using Postgres and Connects to define and query the tables accordingly. One of the challenges I faced was in designing our database schema and being thoughtful of all of the data and the relationship to each other. Using our ERD to map the relationships as well as in the normalization process help overcome this challenge. Thank you very much. This has been Communitree.